We are making butterflies with two different techniques in this video. Welcome to Craftspinner in the captivating world of ribbon butterflies, so let's make them together. We are making butterflies with two different techniques here, and I am using this silicone sheet for making the body of the butterfly. First of all, put a dot of hot glue on the silicone sheet, and then we are going to use these two stamens to make the antennas of the butterfly. Don't let the glue fully dry or the stamens won't stick in it. Put the nozzle of glue gun right under the first glue dot and then start sliding the glue gun down and make a cylindrical line for the main body of the butterfly. You are seeing a stencil of butterfly wing in my hand and we are going to use it. I am going to put that stencil on the transparency sheet and I am going to use OHP pen for tracing it on the transparency sheet. It's necessary to use OHP pen because ordinary ink won't stick on the transparency sheet. When you are using a stencil and making butterfly wings, remember to use both sides of the stencil to make the wings. When the wings are made on transparency sheet, cut them out. We are going to use white ribbon here and the width of this ribbon is 4 centimeters. We are going to trace the wings of butterflies. We are going to use stencils in the same way and method we have used before. Now cut these two wings too. These two wings are of ribbon and we don't want them to be destroyed or frayed, so we are going to burn the edges and skewer the ribbon. By the way, if it's your first time on my channel, I'm really glad to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. I need these wings to be wet, so I am putting water with a clean brush on the wings. I am using phthalo blue color here. I am going to share a tip here with you friends. Do you know why we need the ribbon to be wet? Because with a wet ribbon you will be able to blend the paints easily. And I'm using water-based acrylic paints here. If there are some questions you wanna ask, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. After phthalo blue, I am using crimson paint here and I am going to paint the center portion with this color. If you remember or if you have seen my last video, you know I have used this butterfly while I was decorating my second broken glass, so I am going to make that same butterfly again here. I have told you friends we are gonna make it, and so we are making it now. Make a black outline with round brush number 4. We are going to add white dots on the wings now with the dotting tool, and I am using the slim side of the dotting tool. I am using the fat ball of dotting tool now to make these tear shapes on the wings. So now we are going to paint the body of the butterfly with black acrylic color. This kind of butterfly has got white dots on its body now, so we are again using dotting tool to make white dots on the body of the butterfly. I didn't know the camera was a bit out of focus, so I'm sorry for this. Remember these transparency wings we had made in the beginning of the video, so we need them now, and I am using UHU glue here. You can use any other glue of your choice or whatever is available in your country. Coat the wrong side of the wing with glue and then stick it on the wing made with transparency sheet. Cut off the extra transparency sheet with scissors and make it neat. Give a bit of curve to that part of the wing which we are going to stick on the body of the butterfly. Put a dot of hot glue on the wing and then stick it to the butterfly. Do the same with the other wing. Your butterfly is ready and you can see it looks exactly like the butterflies we had used for decorating our broken glass. Now we are going to make this butterfly and it's made entirely in a different way. We are using two different colors of ribbon here and the measurements of these ribbons are 2.5 into 2.5 centimeters. As usual, burn the edges of the ribbon. Friends, I am again going to use UHU glue here. Put a dot of glue on the pointed end of the ribbon and stick it. We need to sew the ribbon, so start sewing it from the center. Put a dot of glue on the pointed end of the second piece of ribbon and then stick it too. We are going to sew these two pieces together and remember their pointed ends should meet. We are going to pull the thread now and pull it tightly and then wrap the thread around it tightly too. Give it a good strong knot. Paint the edges of the butterfly wings with black color. Use dotting tool to give white dots on the dark portion of the butterfly wings. Use phthalo green color to give dots on the light green side of the wing. Your second butterfly is ready too, and I hope you have enjoyed making these two butterflies with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more DIY projects and crafting ideas. See you next time with a new video.